Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi chai. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of milk, and 2 teaspoons of your favorite black tea leaves. Also, have some fresh ginger, a few green cardamom pods, and sugar ready to taste. Having everything prepped makes the process smooth and enjoyable. This ensures a delicious cup every time. Let's get brewing. Now, let's start brewing. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water with your 2 teaspoons of black tea leaves. Add a small piece of freshly crushed ginger and 2 crushed green cardamom pods for that authentic aroma. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 2 minutes. This allows the flavors to truly meld. Next, it's time for the milk. Pour in 1 cup of your preferred milk and bring the entire mixture back to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat again and let it simmer for another 3 to 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. This step is crucial for achieving that creamy texture and allowing the spices to fully infuse into the chai. Finally, it's time to enjoy your homemade Desi chai. Carefully strain the chai directly into your favorite mug using a fine mesh sieve to catch all the tea leaves and spices. Add sugar to your desired sweetness level and stir well. For more great tips and deals, including a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, check the description below. Enjoy your perfectly brewed, warm, and comforting cup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.